Do you know about Jyoti Prasad Agarwala? Jyoti Prasad Agarwala was a prominent Assamese playwright, songwriter, poet, writer and filmmaker. Born on June 17 in 1903 in Assam, India, he is often regarded as a cultural icon in Assam for his significant contributions to Assamese literature, music and cinema. Here are some key points about Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Literary contributions. Agarwala wrote numerous plays and poems. His works are known for their deep social and cultural insights. Cinema. He was a pioneer in Assamese cinema. His film Joymoti, released in 1935, is the first Assamese feature film. Despite facing numerous challenges, this film marked the beginning of the Assamese film industry. Music. Agarwala composed many songs that are still popular in Assam today. His contributions to Assamese music are celebrated and his songs are considered classics. Legacy. He is often referred to as the Rupwar, the Prince of Beauty of Assamese culture. His birthday, June 17, is celebrated as Jyoti Prasad Agarwala Day in Assam. Social and cultural impact. Agarwala was also involved in the Indian independence movement, and his works often reflect themes of patriotism and social reform. Jyoti Prasad Agarwala's multifaceted contributions have left an inedible mark on Assamese culture and heritage.
Jone oi jiya jui jili kaisa tu oi kaisa khun kuli jaji kura jone oi jiya jui jili kaisa tu oi kaisa khun bone ne di bajibo mogabi